Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Google AI Studio API in 2026. If you want to connect Google's AI models to your own website, app, or software project, this guide will walk you through the basics step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to Google AI Studio using your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the API keys or Get API Key section. Next, click Create API Key if you don't already have one. Google AI Studio will generate a unique API key for your account. Copy the key and store it somewhere safe. Never share it publicly or include it in public source code. Now choose the AI model you want to use for your application. Google AI Studio provides different Gemini models that you can access through the API depending on your project requirements. Next, open the API documentation section to view sample code in your preferred programming language, such as Python, JavaScript, or another supported language. Copy the example code and replace the sample API key with your own. Run your code and send a simple test prompt to confirm that the API connection is working correctly. If everything is configured properly, you'll receive an AI-generated response. Finally, continue building your application by testing different prompts, adjusting settings, and keeping your API key secure at all times. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the Google AI Studio API step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.